पीएम श्री अनिमेश दबरमा ने एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के जरिए आने वाले 13 तारीख में उनके एक स्कीम को लेकर बातें रखी, जहां उन्होंने बताया कि आने वाले 13 दिसंबर के दिन पूर्वी महाराज श्री किरीट बिक्रम माणिक्य के जन्मदिन उपलक्ष्य में सभी गरीब जनताओं को लुधियाना से लाई कंबल बांटा जाएगा। उन्होंने बताया कि कंबल की गुणवत्ता उनके द्वारा जांचा गया है और कंबल कम से कम 2 लोग आराम से इस्तेमाल कर सकता है।
Taken a scheme, blanket distribution scheme for 8,000 families in TTADC area, and this is the first time in the history of ADC administration we are going to distribute blanket for poor people in winter season. We have calculated 8,000 blankets can be distributed in 587 villages. Roughly it comes 13 blankets per village committee, and ceremonially the first day of distribution will happen on the birth anniversary of the late Maharaja Kirit Bikram Manikya on 13 December 2021. So already 200 blankets have been dispatched from the headquarters to the zonal offices, and in the presence of the local MDCs or executive members, Honorable CM, Deputy CM or Chairman, or if they are not there, any local leaders, in their presence, the inaugural distribution program will happen roughly from 11 o'clock in the zonal headquarters. And the question is thereafter what will happen? The blankets will be dispatched to the subzonal offices, and from there the village committee people will collect the rest of the blankets which are left out after the first day of distribution. So we are very happy to announce that this blanket is going to be double blanket. It is not a single. 2 persons can easily use this blanket, and we have tried our level best to see the quality. The entire executive committee people, also in the presence of Maharaja, we have verified the quality, and it's coming from Ludhiana, and we are spending roughly I think 47-48 lakhs for this particular scheme, and this is going to be from our fund only. This fund will be utilized properly so that the poor people gets this benefit. Thank you.